Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be going from New Delhi to Phuket. So we arose early in the morning so that we could catch our flight. Our flight was leaving at 11 but we reached by 8 because checking in and all security takes a long time. As you may know that in the recent past, Air India has got much better supposedly, like the new liveries, the new uniforms of the flight attendants, the new couple of other new things have dropped, and so we're just going to be taking a look at that also. After getting the security and the check-in done, we hot-footed our way to the Encam lounge. So the lounge here was actually quite crowded, but after a good 10 maybe 15 minutes we managed to make our way inside. So it's currently 8 a.m. We got up at like 6 so that we could reach in time. So we didn't have breakfast, but here we can have breakfast. Here we have some dosa, which is made freshly for us along with some chutney. And here's a mushroom omelette, sausages and some olive.
So the coffee is, I'll rate it as okay, not very bad, not very good. I had asked for a strong coffee. I did get a strong coffee. Coffees which we get at other places are much better.
So we just left the Encam lounge. It was nice. The food was good for a lounge. It wasn't like the best, and the menu was not very like what we had. It was a buffet. It was not very large. It was like kind of just a specific it wasn't extensive, but otherwise the food was nice. It wasn't bad also. I'll put up a picture of the old livery right now and also the new livery. Okay, so we just came to a realization that the Airbus A320 that we were using to go from Delhi to Phuket had the old livery, but it's okay, no problem. They take some time to add the new livery to each aircraft. So we just went inside to see how it's on the inside, because that matters more. For some reason there's newspaper in the cockpit, but okay, let's not question that.
So right now we're in the green. Schooling didn't affect immediately, so right now you can see I'm sweating, but
We also found these buttons on the armrests on the aircraft. These look a little outdated since there's obviously no screen. So that just lets us know that the aircraft we're going on is coincidentally, according to my dad, at least 20 years old. AC took a second to kick. The AC here took a second to kick in. Oh look at this, the new Air India.
yeah, they wrote, "We hope you feel better," and
Also the new logo over here. So I just noticed that the flap or this compartment for me is broken. Is yours okay? Which one's okay? Mine is broken. We were given some juices. So since this is an international flight, they're serving wine and a lot of other juices. And along with the juices, we got some crunchy corn. Literally the whole cabin smells like the sour cream and onions right now, because they were distributing these. It's getting irritating now. I don't like sour cream. It does for me. I don't like the smell of sour cream and onion that much. But yeah, I had the apple juice. Plan had the which juice? Orange juice?
yes,
Did you like it?
yes.
I liked apple juice. It was perfect. Look at that. We are above the clouds. Let's go. We right now are watching a movie. I have an AirPod, so I'm hearing that. Prahan, by the way, Prahan even got a blanket. Blanket's nice.
Yes.
Now came time for the meal service. Alright people, so for the non-vegetarian meal we get some water, a dahi, the curd, a bun, butter, cutlery. What is this? Some chocolate, like a brownie. And along with the brownie, let us see what we get in the main meal. Okay, so I chose the non-vegetarian meal. You have options between non-vegetarian and vegetarian. Vegetarian meal, they had paneer of some sort. Okay, so here we have some sort of chicken curry with rice with some cauliflower sabzi over here. Okay, the meals have surely improved. Right now we'll do the taste test. Okay, so I tasted the chicken curry and the vegetable also with the rice. Nice. It's good for an airliner, but The cauliflower, it's kind of just not very good. It smells very old and kind of stale, the cauliflower for me. But the chicken, the gravy is nice. The spices are there. Right, so the chocolate is nice. It is like rich, it's creamy, and it's decadent. And yeah, it's a nice way to put the meal to an end.
So the bread was really stale and very hard, but the bread butter helped a lot as well. So this is the lemon tea. Dad, could you give us a review?
Perfectly the lemon tea I was looking for.
Finish the food, and for the next 2 hours until we land, there will be nothing. We're just gonna relax. Everybody's kind of sleeping and relaxing right now, really, because we woke up quite early today. And yeah, so right now the trays and all will be collected. Now we're just gonna, I guess, rest and relax. Okay, so we have officially landed. Pan, are you happy?
Yes, very happy.
It was nice. It was smooth. Okay. I didn't expect that. Okay. But again, one thing about this was that the windows were very unclean. When you are here, you'll see they're like almost darkened it with a tint at this point. Other than that, the flight was great. We went to Phuket International Airport, and that was the end of the vlog.